Toto, I do miss Kansas, but not the extreme weather. And it is ever so pleasant here in Florida. Just as soon as we finish unpacking, I'll put on my thong and we'll spend all the rest of the day at the beach.
We interrupt Texas Justice starring Judge Larry Joe Doherty to bring you this emergency bulletin from the National Weather Service. Hurricane Ernestine is hitting South Florida with winds up to 700 miles per hour.
Oh, no, Toto. And I was just starting to feel safe again. Toto! Toto! Oh, Toto, look! It's Jeb Bush! Governor Bush! Help us, please!
I can't, I'm drunk! I've been partying since the election. In 2000. Boo-hoo, America! Suck it!
Goodbye! Oh, Toto, I don't think we're in Tampa anymore.
Come out. It's Dorothy, everybody. Dorothy's return. Bring out the Lollipop Guild. Where's the Lollipop Guild?
This is terrible. Just terrible.
Jeepers, Dorothy. What are we going to do without the Lollipop Guild? Without them, our economy is going to go right in the toilet.
Well, I never meant to hurt anybody.
Oh, it was an accident. Besides, Glinda the Good Witch will float us alone till we get back on our feet. Now, in order to get home, just follow the Yellow Brick Road.
Oh, no. I'm not going through that crap again. I'll just click my heels. There's no place like home. 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 Oh, Toto! What a strange dream.
We interrupt divorce court with Judge Maybelline Ephraim to bring you another emergency bulletin from the National Weather Service. Just 20 minutes after Hurricane Ernestine destroyed most of Florida, Hurricane Wendell is bearing down on Tampa with gusts of wind up to 1,200 miles per hour.
Oh, Toto! I'm a hurricane magnet! It's the Miami Heat's new center, Shaquille O'Neal.
I should have stayed in L.A. with the earthquakes. I hate you, Kobe.
Oh, Toto. I hope we're not over the rainbow again. Hello, Mayor. You look upset. Is everyone all right?
No, everyone's not all right. Glinda's dead.
Oh, my! How did it happen?
How do you think it happened? You landed on her, you crazy bitch.
There's no place like home.
That's it. Run away. Run away like all women do. Put your blood-red shoes and run away from your responsibilities. You don't want me.
You're not going to believe this, folks.
Come out here, Dorothy. Come on and take a look at what you did.
There's no place like home. There's no place like home.
Oh, no, you don't. Bust it down, boys. And keep her legs apart so she can't click her heels together. Come out here, Dorothy, and take a look at what you did with your flying murder machine.
Hey!
Scarecrow, the Lion, and me, we all came to be pallbearers at Glinda's funeral. Then your house crushed all of us and her casket. You flattened Glinda twice.
Oh no! Oh, what to do? I know. I'll go to the wizard. He'll help you.
I don't think so. He was the fourth pallbearer.
Oh!
Anyway, Dorothy, now I know I have a heart. Because it's hemorrhaging. Sweet
I've got an idea. I'm going to have my house retrofitted and bolted to its foundation so my house always stays in my own backyard. That way I'll never, ever kill a loved one again. Come on, Toto, let's go. Toto.